Sanibona bafethu, kunoshuni engifuna ukukhuluma nje obaluleke kakhulu. Yazi kunento le ukuthi ama-artist uma seqale ngene egamini bazibona ukuthi bona songabantu. Which like it's a lie. You understand? Nabangabantu. But I love the fact ukuthi uKabza De Small was giving back to the community by going and benza zonke into lezi in the community. It shows ukuthi hayi usenobuntu phakathi kwakhe, and it shows ukuthi sa-understand ukuthi angeke kube umuntu ngaphandle kwabantu. Uyayibona into leyo. And ubuntu lobu bafethu if singa-embrace as ama-artist, I think kuningi okungashintsha la emhlabeni, and I think kuningi okuhle okungenzeka ukuthi nabanye abantu babone ukuthi kahle kahle impilo is not about ukuthi ukuyiphi position. As long as wenza into enhle kwabanye abantu, automatically konke lokho kubalulekile phezu kwempilo zabanye abantu, because ukuseva abantu into enkulu kakhulu leyo. And I truly love the way yenze ngakhona. Bathini, I 60 something kaMandela, because I don't follow to such things, I understand. I think 60 something kaMandela, and then we're spending into all those things, which like it's a good thing. You understand? And doing to give back to the community. You understand? I love that. You understand? I truly love that. You understand? So, nyani bafethu, as ama-artist, if ama-artist angakhula be-matured, I understand ukuthi uba yi-artist doesn't mean ukuthi uNkulunkulu. Oh, it doesn't mean ukuthi ungumdali. It means ukuthi nawe ngumuntu but o-precious ngendlela udalwe ngayo, but kumele ubuye njani ubuye ubuyisele izitsha emuva la ukhule khona, ubuyisele izitsha emuva la kulabantu abakusupportayo. In that way ubonisile ke yena uKabza De Small ukuthi hayi yaba-acknowledge abantu and yaba-value abantu kakhulu, because ivideo nayibona phezulu iyavela the way yenza ngakhona, shows ukuthi umuntu njani ozimisele kuko la akwenzayo. Yes, save your cases out.